I'm Ray, teacher and tutor. And today I'm going to give you my teacher top tip, and my teacher top tip is all about cognitive load theory. So what is cognitive load theory? Well, cognitive load is the name given to the amount of effort it takes your brain to process new information. This was devised by psychologist Dr. John Sweller, and he said that when you're taking in new ideas and concepts, your brain is working very hard to do lots of things such as organize it and store it in your long-term memory. But there will come a point where you hit your limit. Now, everyone has a limit, every limit is different, but there are ways that we can reduce learners' effort and their cognitive load throughout their learning journeys. And I have done a very long YouTube video about this. Please watch it on my YouTube channel, Pro Tutoring. But I'm going to just give you 2 strategies that you can use today. So one is chunking. So chunking is the act of breaking up information into small, bite-sized pieces that are easily digestible. And then the second one is relevance. So when you're trying to teach something new, please keep the information relevant and to the point. If you start adding superfluous information or incorporating complex ideas, then the learner will become overwhelmed and that'll increase cognitive load. So if you'd like to learn more, please watch my YouTube channel about it. But if you've learned something today, fantastic. Click like, share, comment, give me your thoughts. I'd really like to see them and have a discussion around education. Take care.